Why are you crying? Welcome to New Story in English. Today I will tell you a very beautiful short story. The name of the story is, Why Are You Crying? Let's start reading this beautiful story. Once upon a time, there was a curious little boy who asked his mother, "Why are you crying?" With a gentle sigh, she responded, "My dear, I cry because I am a woman." Puzzled by her answer, the boy sought clarification from his father, questioning why his mother seemed to shed tears without a clear reason. His father, offering a simplified explanation, replied, "Son, women cry for reasons that may not always be apparent to us." Unsatisfied with this response, the boy turned to his wise and loving grandfather for further wisdom. Eager to enlighten his grandson, the grandfather shared a heartfelt perspective. He explained that when God created women, He bestowed upon them remarkable qualities. Women were given shoulders strong enough to carry the weight of the world while offering comfort to those in need. They possess an inner strength to face the challenges of childbirth and the resilience to endure the pain of rejection. In times of adversity, women possess an unwavering determination to press on, caring for their families with unwavering dedication. They love their children unconditionally, even when wounded by them. Furthermore, women possess the strength to support their husbands and protect their hearts, as they were created from their husbands' ribs. God blessed women with wisdom to understand that a good husband never harms his wife, but tests her strength and unwavering commitment. And as a testament to their emotional depth, women were given tears, a sacred outlet exclusively reserved for their use whenever needed. The grandfather concluded by sharing a profound truth with his grandson: a woman's true beauty is not defined by her outward appearance, but rather resides within her eyes, for they are the gateway to her compassionate and loving heart. The core lesson of the story is that women possess exceptional strength, both physically and emotionally, allowing them to bear the weight of the world with grace. Their ability to persevere through challenges, care for their families, and love unconditionally showcases their remarkable qualities. The story highlights the importance of recognizing and appreciating the unique attributes of women, and understanding that true beauty lies in their inner strength and compassionate hearts. The end. Hope you have enjoyed the reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And find more fascinating and exciting stories from the description below the video.